If you are a health coach, practitioner, or health professional, and you are looking to bring a low-cost, non-invasive, and incredibly informative functional test into your practice, have you considered hair tissue mineral analysis? So what HTMA does is it measures the mineral content of the hair, and that gives insight into hormones, nervous system health, gut health, digestion, adrenals, thyroid, and so much more. And practitioners can use the results of this test to create customized protocols for their clients that lead to better outcomes and more money for your business. HTMA Expert is the #1 practitioner training program for hair tissue mineral analysis on the planet, where we teach you how to analyze and interpret the complex patterns on the HTMA pattern and help you confidently create protocols for your clients that get them results. We have served over 350 coaches, practitioners, and professionals in 40 different countries, and we would love to have you inside the program so you can impress your clients, grow your practice, and help to change the world.